me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night.
So today for this vlog, it's going to be more like a settling in, settling in, moving in, shopping, grocery shopping, the house shopping, haul, and all those kind of things. That's what's happening today. And shopping for my bedroom, shopping for everything basically. So this vlog is just going to be me kind of like, settling in, just clips here and there. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope you stay tuned and you enjoy the rest of this vlog. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I'm filming with my phone just in case the quality is not as clear, but I think the quality should be all right. But yeah, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell there beside the subscribe button. Yeah, that's it. So let's begin the vlog. So guys, I just came to Ikea to get things for the house.
The same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay.
You guys, can you see? This is 25 euros for this pot. Then this stainless one is 20 euros. Then there's this set of 2 pots. This and a frying pan. I think it should be 45 euros. I don't know how to check the inside of it. I don't think it's possible. You guys, see this? It's 3-in-1. It's for 9.50. I think there's a second pot, but I don't think there's like a third one in it. So I'll probably just Can you guys see this? See how pretty it is. I could use this to put in, let's say, fruits in the house. So I could get one. You guys now will get it. It's such a very woody, so pretty, honestly. Yeah, I think I should. So far guys, so this is what I have gotten so far. I went and I got like this extra big pot, can you guys see? And then I got these things to kind of like put rice and spaghetti and all those things. And I got this set of cutlery, but they didn't have fork, so I'll probably get that somewhere else. And I got pillow sets, 2 of this. I think I'll do like a proper haul when I get home, but for now these are the things that I've gotten. When I get home, I will do like, showing you guys everything, and yeah, that's it. Hi guys. So let's have a quick chat before I kind of like leave the house So this is day 2 of me trying to like settle in. Yesterday you guys should have seen like the clips of me. I didn't really vlog a lot because my phone was dead. I didn't got my camera and I was just trying to like, you know, have some clips and then get out of that place because I was so tired. So you guys would have seen some clips where I was getting like cooking utensils and all of that, and I haven't started arranging. I just dropped everything at home. So today when I go back home, I will start arranging. But before I go back home, I want to go and get like a couple of other things like cleaning items, you know, duvet, bed sheets and all of those good stuff today. So once I get everything, I'll go back home and then kind of like properly try to settle in. Hopefully I'll carry you guys along, you know, everything that I do to the beginning from now. But for now, I'm just kind of like, you know, chilling here and watching Big Brother.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you close. Slowly, but don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. We don't have to leave. The night is still young. Stay in the light. I want you to see it. Just for tonight, I want to believe. So keep on coming closer. Keep me hanging on. Let me feel your body. I want you to know. All we need is love. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you close. Oh yeah.
Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses lost with me. Just give you a moment to stay the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while.